Okay, we're recording. Hello guys, so welcome back to another episode. Today we'll be coding simple shell file called compile.sh. And this will compile every single Minecraft server, every single Forge server, every single proxy server, every single server for Pocket Edition, and some plugins. And actually not every server. I just went through the GitHub search results for Minecraft server, added those. Oh, wait. Oh, that's nice. GitHub added GitHub jobs, I think. That's new. But basically, we have Visual Studio Code. Here's how it works. We make our changes, we save our changes, then we go here, and then we write what we did. Added git clone, click commit, and then we have to go in here, send it up to cloud. We'll send them all up at the end of the video. Otherwise, I got most of the things we need that now. I'll just do one more sample for Sponge. So we're going to search Sponge on GitHub. Sponge Forge, here it is. Okay, now we're going to go in here, we're going to copy this link. We can't just put that link in our thing, we have to do git clone saying that we want it to be cloned. And its category is under Forge, so we'll put it under the Forge directory. I guess we'll do Sponge Vanilla. And this would go under server because it's not Forge. So we're going to go to server. And oh, we have to do git clone. And everything seems to be good. Now we're going to say what we added. Added Sponge source code. So now we have to, I guess we will annotate what we do so far. Oh no, first we have to do, I think it's RM. Okay, yeah, okay, that's good. Removes files or directories. I think it also moves them. Pretty certain if I do. Oh yeah, it's okay. We'll just go oh, okay, that's an idea. Okay. First thing that we'll do is, okay, first it will back up the archive for the old files. So in order to do that, we will have to do cd ... and then we're going to do make dir . I guess we'll do .old. Still a directory. I'm going to put a few spaces here. So, and now I think I'm going to test something here. I'm going to create for example. So ls. Now in theory, if I do rm, if I do this command, with this command again, with our new directory, never mind. Give me a second. Okay, rm. Yeah, whatever. Oh, it's m. That's my bad. I'm sorry, guys. So we're gonna do move. So make dir compile old move dot slash why don't we just rename it? No, because then if you unrun it again. So then theory. No, it's CP. If I move it, then it wouldn't do that correctly. In theory, when it runs, it should, yeah, CP. Actually, we don't need this line anyways. That O should be lowercase. Okay, let's test this. In order to test if our invention or script works, we'll do yes, Jonathan. I'm doing a YouTube video. It's nice thing that you notice that. No such folder directory. Okay, if it we did not go back. Wait. Compile sh line 2. Wait. Okay, I ran that. Skipped. Okay, line 3. Isn't it? I think it's McCompile. Doubled. Okay. So then in theory that will bring, let me just try that. Oh, never mind. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to wait for that. Actually, just out of curiosity, let's see what is it doing? Okay, it is putting all the files in here. Keyboard glowstone paper. So it completely ignored the makedir. Yeah, it should not be a file directory. This is confusing. Cannot make. Okay. Oh, now Thermos is cloning. That should be quick. So it is making our folders. It's cloning the stuff from GitHub, which means that worked perfectly, but it's not exactly cloning in the right place. Wow. So I guess it's working quickly. That's good. I guess. Let's see, how many... What's the total file size? Yeah, it doesn't say. Who's listening to bedtime music? Okay, it's working quick. That's good. There we go, finally. It died. So now we could delete... Let's just check the properties. Okay, that's a decent amount of files. Okay, that worked. Make dir server. Why did mkdir not work? Let's try and create. Yes, we might need to do that. Are you okay? Okay, just checking. That is confusing. Okay, we will do a new file called, well, because obviously we have to, and it's going to be called start.sh.
It's gonna be called Do Your Math Work. How many problems did you finish?
I finished
so far?
all of.
Are you counting now?
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Today? 6?
Yes. That's
so
a good amount.
You still have 6 to go.
Okay, look, yeah.
What about vocab? How is that? You don't have enough time in the day to drag it on like you do. Dragging something on like this is counterproductive. You sit, you buckle up, you do, you get done. Boom, I got the rest of the day for myself.
So now we have to create a file called start.sh.
No, now we have to do our math.
It has to check mod.
And then our vocab.
Okay.
Because we're behind.
And start.sh will check mod our compile.sh. So it could work with better privileges. And maybe our errors that we had before.
You know, this is 23.2.
Now, to save your errors, I'm going to mute my mic. Okay, I'm back. Our new compile.sh.
What are you trying to do?
Creating something that will compile every single type of Minecraft server.
I don't know, it seems to be that stupid. Are you having trouble graphing? Because I can
Okay, sorry about that. My mom came in and thought I needed help with my math. Anyways, what we have to do now is we have to now let's train on start.sh. It did exactly what we wanted it to. Now let's do dir. Okay, that should be good. Wait, I'm gonna try something. I guess compiling will get the dependencies that it would need. So, first thing that it should do is, yeah, no, yeah, okay, I'll do that second. Okay, that should be it. Let's check. Oh, I guess we'll do let's run screen fetch. That is really cool. Okay, so we're gonna add screen fetch right here. I guess we'll do starting, and then here we'll do screen fetch. So then it will run the screen fetch thing here. Okay, that's good. Tells you some server stats. And we'll put a space there to symbolize that's a separate part. Starting. Starting compiler. So maybe we should put, yeah, no. That should, in theory, actually, we'll just, people should not be, in theory, making edits to this. So we'll just remove that. So now what it should do is make dir. Wait, let's try with our terminal. Let's try and see if make dir works. It should work. And ls server now exists. Now, actually, let's test something. Control S. Now we'll do. And that start.sh has to do. That's all of this file has to be able to do. And now, in theory, when I do start.sh, make sure to not work, okay. And it made glowstone. Oh, wait. Maybe we need to pre-provide it with the directories. Move to recycle bin. Make dir. Wait, let's see, why did it break? Yeah. maybe we'll just remove the... No, I did that right. Maybe... Okay, that should work, in theory. It does not want to X out. Okay, fine. We'll let you receive your objects. Oh, it's Control C. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. Well, no. Okay, fine. Whatever. Okay, that should be good. Now, in theory, what if we just completely remove this? Control S. Start.sh. Yeah, and did not work. Okay, fine. We'll add this. Though I don't think it did anything different. Oh. What's SED? Does it even have SED? Okay, so apparently it comes with it. Okay, that's nice. In start, we will do now if we do and this works. So if I do start.sh, yeah. And we have to add -y. There we go. So now, okay. Wait, I think it worked that time. It put the directories in. Yeah, it made the directories. That's good. But we have to delete them. Okay, let's check if this works, this script right here. Compare and oh, guess we'll just check it and then that's not good. And yeah, okay, that's good. So when you run start, access. Okay, I guess we'll let it do its update process. It's unfortunate that I was putting reverse at all the end of the texts. It's installing libLVM. Why is it so slow? Now I guess I'll just switch the mirror when I'm done. No one's using a good mirror. Oh well. So it's installing all the required packages or updating. Right now it's downloading them. I guess in a little. I guess I'll wrap up the video in a little. Not certain. Oh. That was loud. It is good. How many problems? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
But what we've been doing is recording.
Yeah.
Why are you just sitting there on recording?
It's most people that know how to code can understand that it is installing the required packages.
That's what it looked like.
It's installing like Java, Maven.
So when this is done, you're gonna... And then we can play Fortane.
What?
Someone could shoot that.
Hmm?
Someone could shoot that and it wouldn't break.
I don't know. It's pretty durable case. It might. I don't know.
We should test it. Grab the clock.
You're not good at it.
Okay. Oh, there it goes. This is our time to kill the terminal. It's creating the directories perfectly now. Wait, which one happens first? The update? No. Okay. So as you can see here, it's creating the directories perfect. Wait, where does it say? chmod. Yeah, it doesn't have to access that. Oh, it's creating the directories, and that's what we need. What? How do I clear the terminal? I guess I could just kill terminal. Epic Games Launcher is a terminal? I have to try this. Jothan. Jothan. That is interesting. By this, I'm in Epic Games Launcher right now, and it's PowerShell. That means that Epic Games Launcher is powered by PowerShell. If you're wondering what PowerShell is, that's PowerShell. It's like command prompt, but slightly better. Jothan. Jothan. Why does it... Okay, fine. Here it is. PowerShell. Epic Games Launcher is PowerShell because it got messed up, and Epic Games Launcher isn't here. If I do, the command is PS, which stands for PowerShell, which means Epic Games Launcher is PowerShell. So this is PowerShell here.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that. Did you know that? How do you know that?
You told me that a long time ago.
I learned that now.
You said it was a...
Jonathan,
Not stupid.
leave. I learned that right now. How would I know that?
You didn't.
Yes,
you
I
told me
did.
that a long time ago. You're like,
There's...
do you know that Epic Games Launcher is a PowerShell?
That means that you obviously haven't been paying attention to what I'm saying. I said about Chocolatey being PowerShell, but not Epic Games Launcher.
You said something about Epic Games being something.
Epic Games is Unreal Engine, not PowerShell.
Oh, yeah.
But now it's both. Anyways. Yeah. 2 different things. I learned that right now.
Oh, I found a bug in our coding. I forgot to add git clone. I fixed a bug.
I guess we'll do general changes and bug fixes. Click. So now you can see we have our 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try and get one more commit in. And then, so it's creating the directories perfectly. Let's test that. If we delete these, but is it opening the directories correctly? Let's try /. Jonathan, watch this.
Yeah. Rip.
Oh,
I have to open up the bash environment then. Look at this.
Bad.
Bad?
Isn't that bad?
What, this?
Red.
No, that's what it's colored. See? That's red, yes. That's bad. But it's colored. Isn't that so cool?
Wow. Yeah, it's colored red.
What about yellow?
Yellow.
No, everything's here good.
Okay.
732 packages.
Jonathan, you can play Fortnite in a little.
So now,
Boy.
lol. See, there it is.
Okay.
Wait, is it cloning correctly? Please say it. In theory, if this works, server should have,
Yes. They're automatically going into their specific directories.
next cube right should be in here.
It's working. It's automatically putting them in these categories, folders.
Cool, right?
So now when we get to cloning
A proxy server. Wait, it's getting cube right. Okay. When we go into cloning our proxy servers, it should go into the proxy folder. Direct. No. That is a really big thing. Server. So as you can see, is cloning in. Sponge vanilla. Yeah, that should be almost last thing. Yeah. Now, next it's going to do forge. So then, oh, yeah, see? Now it's building the forge files. So that means it's automatically categorizing into the right directory. So you can see server has all of its files. Now if we go to our forge servers are summoning in. Now it's doing proxies. So, well, that's not proxy. Now it's doing the proxies. You can see it's clone. Oh, now it's doing Pocket Edition. So it's cloning in really quickly and bigly. Quote by Donald Trump. Now Genesis. Yep, there it is. Next Prismarine. There it is. So it makes their directories instantly. And now if we go to plugins, you can see Essentials should be in here. Essentials is a big file size. So it's automatically, actually, at the beginning, I forgot something. So it's cloning in all the files. Wow. Essentials is about 0.5 GB. That's a lot of files. But we have to add something. I think that's RMRF. We'll try it in the terminal first. But otherwise it will keep on compiling the same thing. I'm not certain if it will. Nah, I'll test it first. It might just check if the clone is good. Well, that's slow. I mean, it's working at 2 megabits per second. That's a lot of files. It's probably getting some main classes in there. The reason I added essentials is because after the servers compile, just to make sure that they work with plugins, I'm going to make it so essentials compile, and it automatically puts it in the plugin folder. There it is. It got all of our servers downloaded. In the next video, I will show the servers compiling. So instead of just downloading these folders of files, so you can see like here, it will compile them into a jar file that you could use in your server. Now our problem is plugins is not working. Lowercase p. Simple error can cause your game to crash. Plugins. Yep, that's bad. Now where did it put it? Oh, it just put it in this directory. Okay, so now that we have that done, when it is done, why don't we do ls? You could see our directories. We want it to be able, we have to delete all of those directories. So it's going to run rm-rf. If this deletes a forge directory, that means it works. Forge. Now when we run ls now, there we go. Now we have to make sure it also deleted all of the Forge got removed, proxy got removed, server got removed, okay, and we have to add plugins. There we go. We're going to do a separate category for the plugins. Save. Fixed folder auto generation. So this way it will delete the folders before it re-downloads them. Maybe it might be slightly slower, but it works. And that's what we need. Maybe if I can make it quicker in the next video, I will probably do that. But right after I finish this video, I'm going to start the next video. It's probably going to be like this title 2.0 or no, episode 2. So I will see you there. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button down below and subscribe. If you would like me to randomly start up some new GitHub repositories and code them, then tell me in the comments. Now I have to let my brother play Fortnite on my computer. See you later. Bye.